Okay, good morning, everybody. This is the Three Little Pigs and Knits update in the live market on Monday, the 13th of October. The Three Little Pigs is a free trading strategy, and you can get it over here on the Forex Useful website here under free product. The indicator I'm going to use today is also available on the website over here, and Three Little Pigs MT4 swing trade indicator. And the knits strategy, which I will cover at the end, is the No Indicators Trading Strategy ebook, and that's available over here on Forex Useful as well. So on to the markets. I'll start as usual with Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar short here from this entry here last Friday, and we're anticipating a move further down here. We've had a few losers in here as the most markets, including Aussie dollar, are consolidating, and some of the trends have even changed now to up and down, down and up. So Aussie dollar is one that's still down on the weekly here, as we can see, and the daily. And on the 4-hour, we're short from here. So a couple of losing trades in here, giving back some of the money made in August and September. So anticipating a move down from here. Onto Euro GBP. This is one of those that I just mentioned. It's down and up here. We can see the weekly's clearly down. The daily's just moved up last week. So on the 4-hour, we had the losing trade here. Actually, no, it wasn't a valid entry because the daily wasn't actually down. So we're waiting here now just for the, it's unlikely that the weekly is going to move up anytime soon. So waiting for the daily to move back down, and then we'll get a new signal on the 4-hour for an entry. Onto Euro JPY. Short, the weekly trend's down here, we can see, and the daily's down as well. So we're in short here. From the 9th, which was, I think, Friday. So short from here, and those of you trading as per the one-on-one will have an in the money or break-even stop here, trailing behind this moving average. Those of you not yet in this trade obviously wait for a pullback to the moving average and a new signal to go short. On to Euro USD. We're waiting confirmation for a new short here. I thought it was going to come this morning, but it hasn't. Weekly's clearly down here as the Euro's dropped off. Daily's down as well. So huge profits made here over the last couple of months as we took part in this change in trend here. So losing trade here. Entry on Friday, stopped out. So just waiting here now. And confirmation will get me back in here on the short side. Unlikely that we'll see a long trade here for some time. On to cable. Once again, we had a few losing trades here as this market consolidates. I think I had 2 or 3 losing trades here. So looks like we're going to get a new confirmation here as well. So very similar to Euro USD here. And if we just get cable now close below this moving average on this candle, we'll take a short trade, and looks like we'll get a really nice tight entry here. So if this does drop off and break through the 16,000 level, then we'll be involved with a nice tight stop loss. Onto USD CAD, we're long here. This here's the entry here, this candle or this one, depending on your stop loss strategy. So we're long here, and if this goes up north, we'll be involved and hopefully make some money on USD CAD. USD Swiss, I covered this in the weekly report. I said I was waiting for a new confirmation here to go long. Clearly the weekly's up, daily's followed, and now nothing on the short side for us here for a little while, I suppose. So waiting for a close here above the moving average, and we'll get in on the USD Swiss yet again on the long side. USD JPY, one of the other markets that's up and down, as is gold, which I'll come on to next. So up and down here on USD JPY. The weekly, nobody's I made this strategy available to the general public about 2 years ago. So we've never taken a trade on the short side here on USD JPY. So what we're doing, we're waiting for the daily to move back up, and when it does, we'll get a new confirmation on the 4 hour as well. So if this uptrend starts again on USD JPY, then hopefully we'll get involved on the 4 hour with a valid entry. Onto gold, which I just mentioned, down and up. I did comment on this the other day that about 2 weeks ago that 1,200 was big support, and I even marked it on my weekly chart. If you see here, really since gold topped out back in 2011, this level and down here at 1,200 has held. So we've had a bounce off there. So the weekly's not yet moved back above the moving average. Daily just moved back in the middle of last week. So on the 4 hour, we'll just, sit and wait until the weekly either moves back up or the daily moves back down, and then we'll take the signal on the 4 hour. So probably nothing much exciting is going to happen on gold this week. And finally, onto no indicators trading strategy. Again, I covered these in the weekly updates, so anybody, most of you already know what I'm going to say here. So we had a losing trade here, stopped out for a full loss. We had a lovely trade here anyway, previous to this. So we took a loss here on the long side, and now we're short again. So entry was down here, initial stop loss up here, and just waiting if this, if we get the price action breaking this low here around 16,000. Then we'll just move the stop loss down to here. Euro USD, we're still long here, so this was where we got stopped out of our nice profitable short trade. So long here, stop loss down here, and again we're waiting to see this this high get taken out. If it does, we can reduce risk by about half and move the stop loss up to this position here. Obviously, we've got the short market order in place here with the stop loss here at the moment, so we keep the always in approach on the 4 hour time frame here. Euro JPY almost got stopped out here last week as we spiked up here to 137.92. I got a long order in here at 138, so it was only taking spread into account, was 5 pips away from just taking us there. It didn't, and we broke the low. I haven't moved the stop loss from here to here because it would be the same. So move down here. If we just move up a little bit, we can see that there's quite a bit of resistance here around 135. But if it does, if this low does get taken out here, then we'll have a chance to move the stop loss to wherever this high was. Already in the money here with this stop loss, so hopefully we can just move it down and take a little bit more profit if we break this low. And generally, with that 3 little pigs and nits covered, just mention that those of you that are interested, you can get the you can now get the 3 strategies over here on Amazon. So you can basically get the 3 little pigs, price action, swing trading, and trading with confluence. They're all in Kindle ebook if you're that way inclined. And on that note, I'll thank all of you for watching. If you're watching this on YouTube, just up here there's a subscribe button. It means that you'll be informed of all new videos and also all new live events as and when we post them, so you never miss one. And once again, thank you all for watching, and all the very best to all of you.